In this video, you'll learn how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a form to your page and customize the fields so visitors can send you the information you need. Let's start right inside your GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want the form to appear. Take a moment to scroll and decide exactly where on the page you'd like the form to live. This could be near your contact details, at the bottom of a sales page, or on a dedicated contact or sign up page. Having a clear idea of the placement will make the process feel more intentional. When you're ready to add the form, move your mouse to the section where you want it and look for the plus icon. This plus icon is how you add new content blocks to your page. Click on the plus icon and you'll see a panel of different section types you can insert, such as text, images, and in this case, a form. Choose the appropriate form or contact option so that a default form is added to your page. Once the form appears, you'll see options related to that form in the right sidebar. This is where most of your customization will happen. Take a look at that sidebar and scroll until you find the area labeled Edit Form Fields. This section controls what information you're asking visitors to provide. Inside Edit Form Fields, you'll see the fields that are already part of the default form, like name, email, or message. You can usually click on each field to rename it, mark it as required, or remove it altogether, depending on what kind of form you're building. For example, a simple contact form might just need a name, email, and message, while a more detailed inquiry might ask for additional details. To add more fields, look for the Add button in the Edit Form Fields area and click it. This is where you can insert new lines to capture more specific information. You'll see options like drop-downs, checkboxes, or multiple line text fields. A drop-down works well when you want people to pick from a list of options, such as choosing a service type or appointment time range. Checkboxes are helpful if you need visitors to select one or more items, like topics they're interested in or ways they prefer to be contacted. A multiple line text field is ideal when you expect a longer response, such as detailed project descriptions, questions, or feedback. As you add each field, think about what you truly need from your visitors. Too many fields can feel overwhelming, so try to keep it focused and clear. After you've added and adjusted your fields, glance over the form on the page to make sure everything looks organized and easy to understand. When you're happy with how the form looks and what it asks for, remember to save your changes and publish or update your site so the form goes live. That's all it takes to create and customize forms in GoDaddy Website Builder.